Thank you, Funky Fidgets Shop, for sending me this amazing box. Hi everyone! I won a box from Funky Fidgets Shop and I can't wait to see what's inside, so let's get started. Whoa, I see so many sweets and fidgets. I can't wait to see what I've got, so let's go. Looks like I've got a pear and it's really squishy. I've got a pineapple. I've got a banana. I even got this sherbet, some donuts, pizza, and an ice cream sweet. And even I've got a donuts poppet, what I'm so excited to play with. I really love this box and I loved all the things inside. Thank you so much. Bye.